Oh, God.
Oh.
That's how your ball felt. The burning feeling of a ball sack.
Ooh, listen.
Oh, that sounds trippy. It's that dripping.
Juicy.
It's drips making the noise. Stop going so hard.
It's juicy.
It's an armadillo being burned. He's crying. Look, it's crying. That is amazing.
Sounds like some really wet farts.
You know what? It does. I heard those not that long ago.
Huh? Look at the box. Oh, well, gonna have to put this on here now.
Oh no, here we go. It's about to go down, folks. Here comes the whoop, whoop, whoop.
Ooh, look at that.
Oh, there we're down to the wire now.
Well, that shit's all melted around this thing now. So it's like one big
That's a
solid rubber thing.
pyro.
That's fun.
Ooh, I threw that wire in there and now that fire's turned blue.
Where? On that side?
It's over there. You don't heat it?
Mm-hmm. Burn in the fire. Don't burn the ball, Devin.
Don't worry. Oh, shit.
Holy shit. And he just stands there like Miss America. Like you better help with this, please. Holy shit. Jeremy just fucked it up good.
Yeah, we're gonna burn the back.
Look at, okay, Devin, go in and fix. Oh, fireflies. Here we go.
Yeah.
Hey, Drew, do you have to pee?
That might have worked another
Is
time.
that my mail?
Wait, why'd you burn your mail?
Because I don't want to face.
He did it on accident. He let it go and it started burning.
Burn this.
Yeah, that's what we're doing. That's what we're doing. Yeah, that back room looks so much better. Oh yeah, I grabbed this too.
That thing is like molten lava.
Give me a yay for burning down the whole house.
Oh, this is good. The particle board goes real smoky.
There we go. Into the fire. All the wood goes.
Don't mind the intro in the background.
Into
It's
the
just
fire.
Jeremy trying to sing again.
Your heart grows cold. Into the fire.
Oh man, that is a fucking fire right there, buddy. Whoa, I'm getting sucked out.
I
Whoo!
honestly accept the chemicals into my lungs.
Just give in. Just give in, Drew. Give in. Breathe in deep. Drink the punch.
Take it like a champ.
You won't feel nothing. Looks like a condo's on fire in California from this road view. The roof. I love fire.
Yeah, some bricks and
Here comes the particle board, Smokey.
Yeah.
All that glue. Whoa, it rolled off. You're so cool, Brewster.
Oh, I'm wrong end.
You aren't cool. That was instant not cool. You
I
were cool,
know.
and then it was like gone in seconds.
I
That
know.
sucks.
I'm gonna redeem myself though, okay, guys?
I don't think you can from that.
Yes, I can.
Yeah, you haven't been drinking or anything, and you
No.
just lit your cigarette backwards.
Hang on.
Oh, there so goes the
Drop
whole
the
pack.
cigarettes.
Oh, I got this. Hang on.
Come into the light, because you're in the
You
dark.
might not see it.
Oh God, please.
I'll redeem myself.
This is not gonna be good.
Watch. Watch.
Come on, man. I'm running out of tape. I'm gonna miss it. He just caught his hand on fire, folks. That was the trick for the
Wow.
night. Next,
I've been bored.
next he's got gas, so we're gonna save for that one.
Next,
We're gonna
shoot fire out of his mouth.
flamethrower.
Yeah.
Oh shit! Here goes the first yawn, and there's many more to come.
I'm about ready to call it.
Yeah,
Get cleaned up a little bit so I don't smell like fucking.
rotting balls.
Gee, thanks.
Gee, okay.
Hey,
What's been weighing on
nothing
your
like a
mind?
little truth
Gee,
between
you're
lovers.
welcome. Gee, you're welcome.
Do we have to burn all the boxes? I mean, is it a... No. Oh my. Well, see, look at what it did. Put it out.
And now it's burning.
Yummy.
Mm.
Well,
Your dad was trying to be
I
cool,
suggest not.
and he stuck a stick in the fire to light his cigarette, and he lit his cigarette backwards. He went from cool to not cool in seconds.
Yeah, just get rid of all that. Throw it on.
Okay.
He's a junk picker, man. He's gonna be
Like
seeing
these
something he
gloves.
likes.
Grab it out 2.0.
Just get rid of it.
Let it go, Jeremy.
Let it go. Let
There's
it
nothing in
go.
there from your childhood.
Let it go.
Shut yourself.
He's got to go through it real good
Hey
first.
man, when you grew up for Christmas, you went dumpster diving at Woolworths.
Shut up.
Woolworths.
You're
Yeah,
so...
I said it here first.
I went to Woolworths. They had a little place to eat in there. We had a Woolworths. Matter of fact, it was where the dollar store was we were at today. Oh yeah, that's... Oh my, there's a snowflake and markers. Wow. A whole pack of markers and a snowflake.
Oh no, they're empty.
Okay, good.
And they're colored
No.
Put that snowflake right in the middle.
And they're colored pencils.
Oh, it's going. Here comes the burn. Crayola. That says non-flammable. They lied. Why not? Should be
I
all.
like that.
I think they'd be talking about the
Oh,
colored
it's a fire.
Oh, it's fire.
pencils. And meanwhile, you've been sitting in it for like an
Come on, bitch.
That fire's going closer to him every time he calls it a
That's
bitch.
the most bitch ass stick ever.
You got a stubby stick? What are you doing with that?
You know what I do with it.
That's just, you know what?
Hey, you said it. You
Inappropriate
open up the
things at a
floodgate, man. Don't even
campfire.
start with me.
101. Here we go. I'm going to post this and say things not to do at a campfire. Don't invite a ginger.
No, you see. No, you see. We do things right around here.
Yeah.
Oh, missed some.
Oh no, that's Richard's.
Oh, you're so lucky. So lucky.
I told him if there's anything he wanted, take it.
What?
Just take it or I'm throwing it
You're
away.
cooked. I'm going to put chocolate on you. Smush you between 2 graham crackers. He's back. And he's going to catch fire. I'm hoping something good happens because I'm making good. Yeah, I'm
That
going
was
to...
a blue flame.
Oh, that's pretty cool. He shoved it in there. Oh yeah. That's cool.
Wow.
Looks like